And I prayed about it, and I thought,
This is Kenichas I is Lucifer or demon for Linseng and record of the fake prophet like Mr. Kibuloy in the Philippines. Suno inside the world about the rich man in corrupted nation of our politics damage. Dapat itong kinit couple na to ay dapat patayin talaga to kasi siya talk ties about here to fingertips and about the social media or always video recorded and preaching is always demonic is a big prophet is very disgusting to world about the people is going to hell. This is president, this is the pastor is very hit. I don't recommend for the world about the Christ, but just mamatay din siya kasi patanda na siya, di ba? So, what do you believe about the next